Hello everyone, I'm sure you've seen this PowerPoint before, but I wanted to share it with you. Do you remember 0? If type 0 and first. What language is used in the previous picture? If clauses, of course. For the 0 conditional, as you all remember, we talk about facts and general truths, where you find the result is always the same. If you heat ice, it always melts. So when you take some ice and put it in a saucepan and you heat it up, what happens? It becomes water, and you would be surprised if it didn't. So, as I told you before, the result is always true after the condition. Also, we can use if for habits and routines. For example, every day I take the train to work. If I miss the train, I drive to work. So this is always true for me. So whenever this happens, I do the same thing. Or people get hungry if they don't eat, for example. And this is always true. When we come to the clauses, as you know, this is the result. Okay, now I want you to have a look at this song. As you listen, I want you to write down the words you understand and then write them back to me.